Hello, and welcome to a pre-recorded demo video for QManager, the easiest way to organize and speed up dismissal at your school campus. We will be showing the core features of QManager in this video. If you have specific dismissal challenges you're trying to solve, please contact us because we customize the app for our customers. We are based in Seattle, Washington, and have been helping schools nationwide since 2011. We're a complete dismissal system, as shown in the image on the right. It includes car line management and digital sign-in/sign-out. We also have a communication module and reports. Today, we'll focus on the core features. So, the scenarios that we enable. First, you can clear your driveway efficiently and reduce the staff required for dismissal. You also have guardians and carpool management as part of the software. One of the scenarios we've enabled for schools is keeping the students in the classroom until their parent arrives. So, instead of a noisy and chaotic lobby, you can keep them in their classrooms. The teacher can engage with them, or at least watch over them. Our browser screen will notify the teachers when parents have arrived and who they are picking up. We also created an activity tracker, which is really neat. You can track where kids are during the whole day, very useful during emergencies. Parents can also mark where the children will go at the end of the dismissal, whether they will be going home with them or to an after-school program. Our app is composed of 3 parts: the web portal, the Parents app, and the Staff app. I will demo each of these now. Let's start with the Family page. You will see children, parents, and guardians, including carpool members like nannies and neighbors. Each parent and guardian is assigned a unique key, which they use to register their phones into the QManager system. This keeps the system secure. When a school first starts with QManager, they export their roster to us in a spreadsheet, and we upload it for them so they don't have to do it manually. We also sync with Veracross and can talk to your SIS to sync as well. Now I'll demo the phone app. This is the Parent app. Parents only need to run the app and register using this information once. For example, Adam Smith is the parent, and he's going to register using his key. It's very simple and easy, and it's a one-time process. When parents run the app within the school's geofence, usually 1,000 to 2,000 feet depending on your driveway, they see these features. During drop-off, the parent can mark where their child will go at the end of dismissal. This is optional, and we can turn this feature off for you. As soon as this happens, the parent's phone sends their location and hence their place in the queue. Next, the digital sign-in/sign-out screen pops up, which is also optional. Public schools don't usually turn this on. Now let's look at the iPad app. The home screen here is basically your roster. You can see where Eric Smith's parents noted that he's going to basketball today, while the other child is being dismissed. This next screen is your parent list in the driveway. As you can see, Adam is in the driveway picking up Eric. If you can imagine having 100, 200 parents, it'll show all the children these parents are picking up. You have the parent's name and the child's name. Since the list is huge, school staff can filter by room. Teachers who have the iPads or are using QManager on their browsers in the classroom can filter by their room. You can also filter by multiple rooms, such as creating a wing of school sections and picking, say, rooms 3 and 4. Now, I want to show you 2 ways that you can do dismissal: passive and active. It's the same screen, but the passive method involves projecting the screen from an iPad to a big screen in all the classrooms or in the lobby. Teachers or school staff call out names from the top. As these children are being taken to the cars, you hit the delete button to dismiss them, eventually ending up with a blank list. The active method involves tagging the children you want to send out. This replaces walkie-talkies or phones. It's like saying who's ready for the kids to get in the car. You tag them with the Here button, and all the iPads and browsers mark those names. Some schools tag the first 4 or 5 cars, and the staff inside can send them out. You can also mark which lane to send the children to. You can use whichever method you want. We would love to set you up with a live demo or a free trial where you can test out the features. Please send an email to info@dismissalsoftware.com. Thanks and goodbye.